It's been a long time, guys. This time I would like to share with you the GAMETOYS ZACKS, which is freshly released in China. First of all, let's still look at the packaging. As always, the low profile style, and you can see the pattern of Buster Sword. I booked the set, so there will be another box of second class soldier parts. Okay, let's hurry up and open the package. The first thing is still to check the head sculpture. What do you think of it? I personally will prefer the initial ZACKS look. The hair will be more full and more vibrant feeling. Of course, the mature one is also doing very well. Too handsome, too cool. This time the hair looks better than last time. GAMETOYS is still in the top tier of making head sculptures. The real toy must be better than what you see in the pictures and videos. The body is basically the same as Cloud's, and they have a high difference based on the design. Two versions of the body depict the colors in the game. Personally, I think GAMETOYS' clothes are actually quite ordinary, but his advantage is still the head. Have a look at other parts. A few pairs of hands, a dumb apple, and the letter from Alice, 3 languages. Finally, weapons and material. Buster Sword is the shape of Crisis Core, as well as Sword of Second Class Soldier. The sword should be mantle and a little heavy. Really happy to get these ZACKS. By the way, Crisis Core Reunion will be released this year. Hope to play as soon as possible, and I hope everyone can get these ZACKS soon. Well, thanks for watching. Let's look forward to GAMETOYS' next product. Bye.